Hello everyone. Today you can see me in the local dress, and here I have found out a difficult task, and that is just this tiny picture, and you need to talk about it for 90 seconds. Now this is really a difficult task because there's not much to talk about. First of all, so how would you go about it? You will look at the expressions, right? So it's one child who is laughing, the other child who looks a little bit irritated. His eyes are closed, his eyes are open. One of the children, the younger child, has a hand around on the cheek of the older child. They look Asian. So here, how would we go about it? So the first thing, we'll go about it by saying, the picture shows two Asian boys. They look Chinese. They look like as if they are in their house. Both are physically touching each other. The older child looks very happy, as if he has done some practical joke with the other child. And the younger one looks a little bit irritated, which is quite obvious from his tiny teeth. There's another thing which is noticeable here in this picture, and that is the younger child is holding the face of the older child, and his eyes are closed, while the eyes of the older child, older boy, are a little bit open. You can see the younger child has very few hair on his head, while the older child has long hair on his head. It is also obvious that it is summer season, because it is clear that they are not wearing anything on their arms, and it is quite obvious that the younger child is wearing a white t-shirt. It's a sleeveless white t-shirt. Looks like a beautiful sibling moment, and it seems more like the elder child has played a practical joke on the younger one, and the younger one is a little bit irritated, so he is holding the face of the other child. Thank you. I hope you would like this description. If you have any questions or comments, please post them. I would like to listen to your comments, and if you have a question, you can also post me a link to an image if you want an entire video on that. Thank you so much. Have a great day.